Welcome to Houston, Texas. I'm about to show you the top 10 places you have to go check out when you come to Houston, Texas. One of the best places you have to come if you like the outdoors and you're visiting Houston is Buffalo Bayou Park. Buffalo Bayou Park is hundreds of acres. It runs along the Buffalo Bayou. And right now I'm in the Bud Light Amphitheater. But right in this general area, you've got a perfect place for baseball, football, throwing the frisbee around. There's a volleyball court back there. There's picnic places all over the place. If you go up here, you're gonna get, and this is another reason why this is one of the top places to go. You're looking for an awesome photo of Houston, right there. How cool is that? If you go right up the street here, so if you park right here, and then you walk right over here, there's a bridge right back here, and you can get a nice picture from the bridge without any obstruction of the trees, and you'll just be nothing but city skyline in behind you. Over on the back area over here is the Fallen Police Officer Memorial. So that's about a half a mile walk from here. There's just so many different things that you can do over here in Buffalo Park. If you like to bike, walk, run, jog, want to come fly a kite, want to just get a cool picture with a family or just yourself in front of the city of Houston, this is the place to come. So we're at Walker Street and Allen, and from right here I'm on the bridge. You can see all the walking trails, jogging trails. I don't know, I go swimming in there, it's probably gators, but as you can see from this bridge you have a phenomenal view of the city. It's a great place to take some cool photos. There's some people taking graduation photos right now, so I'm not going to go over there and try and get into their way because I don't want to be rude or anything like that. It's a big deal. So but that's a great view, right? It's hard to believe when I was a kid here, starting at that brown building that's kind of stepped down, that one, the white building, the glass building, the small tan building, the bigger tan building, that brown building, and that white building over there, it looks like the front of a spaceship. Those were the only skyscrapers that were here in the early 90s. So it's pretty interesting to just see how the city has grown up over the years. It's huge. It's concrete jungle. Welcome to the jungle. All right, I'm gonna stop singing now, but this is why Buffalo Bayou Park is on the top 10 things to do when you come to Houston.